Today I'll show you how to stop the government from taking your money using the solar federal tax credit, as well as how to remove the animals from underneath your solar panels. And you can listen to a few other people I've worked with to figure out if I'm trustworthy. If you'd like to know more about solar installation, removing the solar animals below your panels, or how to get solar tax credits, then please click like, subscribe, comment, share, and align with Walker Power on YouTube, Facebook, and Alignable. Like, subscribe, comment, and share on Rumble as well. Tweet with Walker Power for All on Twitter. Like, share, Paul Walker Power on Instagram.
Hello everyone, real quick, my name is Paul Walker. What? No, the other one, with Walker Power. Anyway, I have something real special for you. If you give me just a minute or two of your time, then I will put a big smile on your face. Who's writing these lines? Anyway, if you already own solar or if you thought about it, then you should click the link at the end of this to see if you can stop the Fed from potentially taking tens of thousands of dollars from you. All the information is free. Let me ask you, is your accountant absolutely amazing? Can he get the government to pay you 50 grand for not growing corn this year? No? Do you still pay high taxes? Do you still pay taxes even though you have tax credits? Then keep watching, click the link at the end. Is it more like your accountant knows how to take your money and isn't very good at stopping the government from taking it more? Kind of like they took a 2-hour night course at a community college to be an accountant? Or maybe you do your own taxes. Listen, this offer is open to every solar homeowner or potential, no matter who you got the solar from. Most of my customers told me their accountant does not understand the solar tax credit, so I actually had to teach a lot of accountants last year. Now, 2020 was rough for a lot of people, so I'm giving away 2 IRS PDFs with color-coded notes to help you and your accountant get the tens of thousands of dollars promised to you by that solar salesman who stopped taking your calls anymore. Just click the link below or at the end of the video. I'll help you out for free. It's just because I know how to do it. I want to help people. We have a lot of other offers that you might like. There's no obligation to take any of them. Let's take care of you and your tax money first. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great year in 2020.
Payment required only if you do not get the PDFs. Not to us, to the government. And they take a lot. What have you got to lose? It's a free, color-coded, notes already taken education. And the video will be out soon. The PDFs have our contact info if you have any questions.
You don't need to know nothing. All you need to know is that what you say will happen, and that's it. You deliver on your promises.
Now, did we make your purchase easy to understand?
Yes. Paul, you amazing. I mean, I still to this day call you for questions.
So you'll receive a check for owning solar New Jersey. Is that the real deal?
In the beginning, I was like, oh, I don't know how this gonna work, but listen, I even got my first check.
People want to know why we say that the electric bill gets eliminated and the solar pays for itself.
Because my light bill went from high to low, and plus I got a check for 206, which if you know how to use your money, you could take that money to pay the panels instead of using your money.
And how was the process for you? Was it?
Thanks to you, the process was really easy. Everything was clear, and that's something I like. I always like people to be honest with me. So you've been really honest.
I never felt alone in this thing, because it's a process. We were just saying.
Yes, absolutely. Do you feel that we kept up with our word, with our promises? We'd be there for you with all the questions you ever have and everything?
Yes, you have. You have.
Would you recommend Walker Power to any of your friends or family?
Definitely, yeah.
Why did you decide to go solar with Walker Power?
We show up. When you came to my house, knocked the door, I see you as your wife, and the way you talk to me, you convince me how important it is to have the panel. You have a good recommendation with my friend. He has a panel too.
Would you recommend Walker Power to other people?
Ooh, I already did. I already did.
At Walker Power, we say when you solar with us, you solar with family. What does that mean to you? Do we show that that's true?
Oh yes.
So?
Oh yes. I told a couple friends that you're not a seller, you're a friend, you're family. You become to be a family. You the type of guy. You know, many times I call you about the question. Doesn't matter what time I call you, you always available. 6 in the morning, 10 p.m., I remember I called you at 10 p.m. You were sleeping about the price, about the charge they did,
Yep.
and the next day, my money was in my account. So I'm with the PCNG too. You came from your house to PCNG in Elizabeth and trying to fix the situation.
Twice.
Oh yes, twice.
Yes. So overall, you think it was a good experience?
Absolutely. I ever come down 100%.
Thank you very much. Again, this is Henry Sanchez. I'm Paul Walker with Walker Power. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
When you solar with Walker Power, you solar with family. And check out our monthly specials. WalkerPower.energy/product/special-offer. Plus, get 30-day money-back guarantee when financed. For more information, 908-377-1391 or Paul Walker at WalkerPower.energy.
Para más información en español, contacta jasminewalker@walkerpower.energy.
Please help support our channel by visiting us on Parler at Most Americans and follow Echo Upvote Comment or by snapping a pic of the QR code. Follow us on Instagram at Paul Walker Power, on Rumble, Walker Power, and YouTube, Walker Power. Please click like, hit subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you very much. When you solar with Walker Power, you solar with family. Check out our monthly specials. WalkerPower.energy/solar-product/special-offer. Plus, get 30-day money-back guarantee on our loans and leases. For more info, call 908-374-6392 or email Paul Walker at WalkerPower.energy.
Para más información en español, contacta jasminewalker@walkerpower.energy.
If you'd like to know more about solar installation, removing the solar animal below your panels, or how to get solar tax credits, then please click like, subscribe, comment, share, and align with Walker Power on YouTube, Facebook, and Alignable. Like, subscribe, comment, and share on Rumble as well. Tweet with Walker Power for all on Twitter. Like, share, Paul Walker Power on Instagram. Brought to you by Walker Consulting, ensuring the digital future is ready for your business. Here's how to reach our digital marketing agency. Contact Paul Walker, info@walkerconsulting.biz, 908-377-1391.